Hello, this is Lori with Dockery's Dream Dolls. I wanna show you how I do my pills. First of all, I do 1 month at a time. That way I don't have to do every week because it's too hard. I use these containers which are really nice, and I use dry erase marker to put notes on my medication. That one arrow lets me know that the last week's pills, so I have to do soon. I usually do a week at a time for counting, but for you, I'm gonna do this one day. I start with one medication at time. This one I take 3 times a day. And afternoon done. And then I move on to pills that I take twice a day. I have to cut these pills in half. Let me show you. This is half the pill. This is whole pill. Insane. I use pill cutter to cut pills. Next, I start with medication that I just take at night. One, two. I still have problems counting, so I make do and take my time, and 1, 2, 1. That's it for night. Now I have pink pill, which is different from all the other pills, so not confusing. Next, I usually do all the week's pill, so I have to count white pills for 7, which is 3 and 3 plus 1. Then I'm sure I've got it right, 'cause there's so many white pills and they all look the same. And I have another white pill, 3 plus 3 plus 1 equals 7, so I don't get confused and I know I've got it right. And if you don't distribute properly, I have to find out where I screwed up. That's it for morning pills. What do you do to make your pills easier? As I said before, I'll leave link for pills containers in the description box below. I hope this was helpful. Bye for now.